Hey everyone, today's video is a Bridge Wallet review based on my personal experience. Find the product link below. Bridge Wallet is a versatile, non-custodial wallet perfect for anyone looking to securely manage their digital assets. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and popular altcoins. This wallet prioritizes a smooth and secure experience for both beginners and advanced users. One key feature is its cross-chain capability. Unlike single blockchain wallets, Bridge Wallet lets you manage assets across different blockchains, ideal for DeFi users and those active in multi-chain ecosystems. This consolidates multiple assets into a single wallet. Security is paramount. Bridge Wallet is non-custodial, meaning you control your private keys and retain full ownership of your funds. It features state-of-the-art encryption, biometric authentication, passphrases, and a simple backup and recovery process. The interface is clean, intuitive, and beginner-friendly, yet offers advanced features for experienced users. Available on mobile and desktop, you can manage assets on the go or from your computer. It also integrates with several dApps, allowing direct interaction with the DeFi ecosystem. Bridge Wallet is perfect for managing various cryptocurrencies, especially if you need access to multi-chain ecosystems without juggling platforms. Looking for a reliable cross-chain wallet with excellent security and user experience? I highly recommend Bridge Wallet. Check the link in the description for more details.